Hey everyone, welcome to day 5 of the 12 days of Christmas in July DIYs. If you see me in the same clothes, it's because I'm batch filming 12 days of Christmas. Not all of them at once, but a few. So today I've used one of the Dollar Tree signs from summer and recreated it into a Christmas sign. So let's get right to the DIY. I'm so sorry guys, I thought I recorded the sign before I painted it, but it was one of the summer signs. I believe it had a starfish on it, which I pulled off. I'm applying 3 coats of the Rust-Oleum chalk paint, but actually I didn't need to do this because I ended up covering it with a paper from Hobby Lobby. Changed my mind right at the end, so I'll just let you watch and see what I create. Okay, so I have the paper under here. This is what it looks like. And I'm just going to trace around so I can cut it out to fit the sign. And this is a printable that I'm going to put on top. And I'll be using Mod Podge to adhere the paper to the sign. And I'll also use Mod Podge to put the printable on top of this paper. And you'll want to make sure all of your edges are glued down securely. The only Mod Podge I had on hand was the gloss. If you do this, I would suggest using the black. I had to paint over the entire sign because of the shine that it puts on it. And now I'm just going to place this little jingle bell. I believe I picked these up at Dollar General last year after Christmas when everything was on sale. And here it is, guys. I just used a plate stand to stand this up. You could hot glue a piece of jute on the back and hang it on your wall, but I just thought I would put it here to display for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick, easy DIY tonight. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks to my subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you join my family. Like, share, and comment. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.